not so very different, you know.
Please.
Well, think about it.
I hate Mr. Whipple.
God, me too. I hate growing older.
Boy, am I with you. You don't have to be a professor to see the apple doesn't fall very far from the tree. I hate washing dishes. All that grease.
I hate Mrs. Carlucci. May she rest in peace.
There's more than a few things on which we agree. The apple doesn't fall very far from the tree.
For 9 months, I carried you under my
Oh, for 9 months, seldom, if ever, apart. No wonder I can be annoying, scream and fight.
Sometimes I'm no lady.
Yeah, you got that right. So the saying is true. Look at you, look at me. The apple doesn't fall very far from the tree.
Hey, are you two okay?
We're fabulous. Come on down.
I'll catch you ladies later.
Bet. Oh, yes.
Yes. Me, I like to stroke some big guy's chest.
Especially Italian.
Oh, Mama, they're the best. You don't need a sheepskin from Harvard to see the apple doesn't fall very far from the tree.
Me, I like a guy who'll scratch my back.
Try a little lower.
Scratch my back.
The apple doesn't fall very far from the tree. For 9 months, at least, I was never ignored.
Oh, for 9 months, I gave you free room and board.
Your tops, Mom.
Thanks. I know I shouldn't say this.
Oh, be my guest.
We're not so very different.
Now I'm real depressed.